Hey guys, it's Krista and welcome to my YouTube channel, Inky Fairy Designs. I am on here because I'm so excited. We have hit 2,000 subscribers. Now, this is huge to me. I know not a huge number, but you guys, 2,000 of you like my videos. 2,000 of you want to see my videos, and so you subscribe to my channel so that you know when a video comes out. So I just wanted to hop on here and tell you face to face, well, my face to you, thank you so much. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for watching them. Thank you for sharing them, and your comments. All of that means so much to me, and I'm really excited to see where this goes. I've had a YouTube channel for a long time, let's be real, but I was never consistent with it. And at the start of this year, I had just had a baby in November, and I was kind of thinking, what do I want to do? What, you know, what could possibly make a difference in our lives? And I don't know, YouTube was came into my head, and I thought, I have a YouTube channel, I could focus on that and see how it grows. Now, 2 weeks after that happened, they changed their whole thing, and so I was no longer going to qualify to have ads on my channel. And so that was a little bit of a blow because I had met one of the requirements, but the other requirement of the watch time was nowhere even close. And that's just because my channel had been dormant for so long. And I could have just said, well, that's not going to happen, forget it. And that's usually what my attitude would be. But for some reason, I took it on as a challenge, and I thought, you know what? I love making videos, and I want to see if I can be consistent, what could happen. And so I decided to put out 3 videos, which you guys have seen. I have my Mixed Media Mondays, I have my Watercolor Wednesdays, and I have my card making Saturdays, which I call Stamp Stash Saturday. Now, this channel will completely continue to evolve, and I am actually kind of brainstorming and thinking if I want to focus more on mixed media and watercolor. So I would love to hear from you guys. What are your favorite videos of mine? Do you love the mixed media? Do you love the watercolor? Or do you love the card making? Because I am a mom of 5, you guys know, and I want to focus my energies on what you guys really want to see. So I still don't make any ad revenue on my channel. I haven't met that second requirement, but that's not stopping me because every single day I have more watch views, and the better, the more that my channel grows, the more that's going to go up. And so eventually, I know I will make that requirement, and it'll happen. But I'm also thinking about starting a Patreon channel, and I want to see what you guys think about that as well. So if I start a Patreon, what would you guys like to have as perks? That's something that has had me hesitate to start it, because I know the whole point is, you want to get something in return other than just the videos. Because I still will have my YouTube channel. I will still have this all completely free. And who knows, if you guys don't like having those ads come up, maybe I have a challenge on my Patreon. If we hit a certain number of that a month, then I will not ever turn on ads on my YouTube channel, because it will make a difference. And then you guys can have this channel completely ad-free all the time. So yeah, let me know what kind of perks you would like. Some things I have in mind are like handmade cards sent out to you guys. I'll pick a few of you and just mail out cards. I'm trying to learn how to turn my lettering and my watercolor into prints, so that perhaps that could be a perk for you guys. I don't know. I would love to hear from you guys what you would want to see if I did join Patreon, and I would still have like you know, a variety of ways that you guys could contribute to that. So, but this video, I really wanted to do a giveaway for you guys for, subscribing to my channel. They're all completely brand new products. They're all products that I love and you can see in my channel in use. And one thing that I don't have yet is a journal. I want to send you an art journal so that you can get started right away. If mixed media is your thing, that's kind of what this little prize package is going to be. Okay, so I have pulled together this awesome prize for one of you guys. So this tea stain kit from Faber-Castell, some Texture Luxe, also by Faber-Castell, some watercolor pencils from Faber-Castell. These are in the blue colors. You guys know, obviously, my favorite color family is the cool color family. And I have some brand new gelatos for you guys. This is the metallics set, and there's 15 in here, so brand new for you. I have some mixed media stencils by Faber-Castell. I have a beautiful stamp. This is by Prima. This is my friend Jamie Doherty had a line with them, and this stamp is just beautiful. Brand new. I have some deco foil goodies, some deco foil, the deco foil pen adhesive, and then some foam adhesive. So those will be yours. And then I also cannot have a video that does not include, or have a giveaway that does not include some of my favorite Dina Wakley heavy body acrylic paints. So that's what I have in the giveaway for today. Yeah, so this is the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. If you guys want to enter, just answer the 2 questions in this video in the comments below and like the video. You can share the video, and I'm so excited to see what happens with this channel, and I'll be back with another video, with an art video next time. So I'll see you then. Bye.